A day after the National Assembly's Finance and Planning Committee proposed a 25% reduction in supply margins of petroleum products, the Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority has slashed the margins by double digits, affording consumers some relief as far as the cost of living is concerned. Effective midnight tonight, the price of a litre of super petrol and diesel will go down by 5 shillings, while that of a litre of kerosene will go down by 7 shillings and 28 cents. Julian Zaboko digs into the latest pump price review.
Over the last 1 month, the sky-high cost of petroleum products has been the subject of a blame game involving the National Assembly, the National Treasury, and the Energy and Petroleum Regulatory Authority, EPRA. EPRA blamed the National Treasury, which, after 3 months of spending 8.7 billion shillings in subsidizing prices, withdrew funds from the Petroleum Development Levy. The National Treasury, in turn, laid the blame squarely on Parliament, which is tasked with approving the taxes and levies which contribute to almost half of pump prices. The National Assembly has since proposed a reduction in supplier margins by 25% to 9 shillings a litre, a reduction of value-added tax on super petrol and diesel from 8% to 4%, and a reduction in value-added tax on liquefied petroleum gas from 16% to 8%. The latest pump price review has seen the market regulator squeeze supplier margins yet again, with that of super petrol revised downward by 49% to 6 shillings and 26 cents, that of diesel revised downward by 56% to 5 shillings and 50 cents, and that of kerosene revised downward by 37% to 7 shillings and 73 cents. It is this reduction in supplier margins which has principally informed the latest review of pump prices. This means that in the capital city of Nairobi, the commodities will retail for 129 shillings and 72 cents for super petrol, 110 shillings and 60 cents for diesel, and kerosene will now retail at 103 shillings and 54 cents for the next 30 days.
Ningetaka mwanzo kushukuru serikali kwa sababu ya kupunguza hayo mafuta, lakini tungeliomba sana kama hayo mafuta yangefika ile kiwango kilikuwa cha mbele, ile 126.
Sasa gharama ya maisha imeenda juu sana kwa sababu vile mafuta ilikuwa imepanda, tunaona leo imeanguka na pesa kidogo sana.
Kwanza mafuta inatusukuma baya sana sisi wana bodaboda. Iliongezwa na shilingi 8, imepunguzwa na shilingi 5.
The latest pump price review comes at a time when the High Court has slammed the brakes on the plan by the Kenya Revenue Authority to adjust the excise duty for petroleum products, throwing a spanner into the works on the government's push to collect more revenue. On the 28th of September, Justice James Makau issued temporary conservatory orders quashing the decision by the Kenya Revenue Authority's Commissioner General to adjust the excise duty rates for petroleum products. Julian Zaboko, NTV.